Right now, the rocket does not know what the T0 is, but coming up at T-minus 33 seconds, control shifts from the ground launch sequencer to the rocket's onboard autonomous launch sequencer, or ALS. The rocket will count itself down, but honor any holds that could come from the ground. Now, shortly after liftoff, Houston will take control of the rocket, and my colleague Gary Jordan will take over commentary.
GLS, go for ALS.
Great call out. The rocket is on its own. 4 Brave Explorers.
Last time, passing 1 minute, approaching max Q.
On, Ponce 3 on. Stan, we have you loud and clear on Ponce 3 on. Have you the same?
Communication signal transfer confirmed as Integrity and its crew go supersonic. Approaching 90 seconds into the Artemis II mission. Integrity is 14 miles in altitude, 8 miles downrange, traveling more than 2,600 miles per hour.
Separation.
Confirmed separation. Main engines throttling up, guidance confirmed.
Just a little dot now.
Integrity, guidance converged, performance nominal, upper stage RCS ready.
Look at the tower. It's like, yeah.